India's biggest financial event is almost here. On 1st February 26, the government will present the Union Budget 26. So let's begin. What is Union Budget and why does it matter? So very quickly, the Union Budget is basically the government's annual plan of how much money India will earn and how much will it spend and which areas will get the priority. So whether you are a salaried person, a business person, a student or an investor, the budget will affect everyone. The second point is infrastructure. The number one expectation is the government will continue the big push in infrastructure. That will mean like lots of highways, railway modernization, metro projects, logistic corridors, ports and airports. Why? Because infrastructure creates jobs, improves connectivity, and boosts economic growth. Number three, middle class tax relief. Now, the biggest question everyone is asking, will income tax be reduced? Experts believe we may see some small but meaningful relief such as higher standard deduction, minor changes in slabs, and more benefits under the new tax regime, which is more important than anything else. A major tax overall is unlikely. Number four, debt and bond market. One important prediction being discussed is tax reduction on debt instrument like bonds. The economic survey has suggested that taxation on debt is very high and lowering it can reduce cost of capital, improve infrastructure funding, deepen India's bond market, and this could be a quiet but powerful reform for long-term investors. Number five is green energy and EV charging. Budget 26 is expected to strongly support clean energy again. We may see increased focus on solar and wind power, battery storage, green hydrogen projects, electric vehicle charging expansion. India is moving fast towards an EV future. So the companies in renewable energy and power infrastructure could benefit greatly. Number six, manufacturing and MSMEs. Make in India 2.0. The government wants India to become a global manufacturing hub. So Budget 26 may bring extension of PLI schemes, easier loans for MSMEs, job-linked incentives, reduce compliance burden for small businesses. This is aimed at job creation, exports, and stronger domestic production. Number seven, healthcare. More hospitals and better primary care. Healthcare is expected to get more funding again. Public health groups are demanding stronger primary health, better rural healthcare, and affordable medicines, expanded insurance coverage. After COVID years, healthcare remains a national issue. Number eight, education and skill development. Education is one of the most important expectations this year. Budget 26 may support national education policy implementation, digital classrooms, AI-based learning tools, Skill India and employability program, and research and innovation grants. The government wants India's youth to be job ready for the future economy. Number nine, rural support and agriculture push. Rural India is the backbone of the economy. To boost rural demand, the budget may announce more support for farmers, food processing incentives, rural housing schemes, irrigation and infrastructure. When rural income rises, consumption rises and the whole country benefits. Number 10, is tourism and services. India as a global destination. Tourism is being seen as a major job creator. Budget 26 may focus on tourism circuits, hospitality support, better connectivity to heritage destination. Stock market impact. Which sector may benefit? Now for investors. Market experts believe Budget 26 could favor sectors like infrastructure, defense, renewable energy, railways, digital and AI services, and capital goods. However, remember long-term investing always works best with strong fundamentals, not budget hype.